What's up everybody, how you doing? Today we have a special phone to unbox. This is the Honor X9A. This is a 5G version, Snapdragon 695. And before I unbox this amazing phone, I want to tell you I did the pre-order and I got some gifts from Honor. These are the gifts. We have a key holder or ring holder. As you can see, you can use it in the phone. We can use it the keys, etc. We have this new earbud X from Honor. It's a nice one. I don't want to try it, see if it has a good quality. Yep. And what else we have here? Yeah. Also, from the pre-order, you get this coffee cup. Just open it and see how it looks like. Oops. Oh, it's a lot of papers there. A lot of papers, bro. So that looks good. And there you go. Oh, it looks really good, man. The very nice metal. And as you can see, here's the lid. And looks beautiful, man. Shout out to Honor. So that's the cup. And what else we have? Yeah, last but not least, we have the portable speaker. That's a portable speaker. That's when you pre-order the Honor X9A. And I'm talking here from Saudi Arabia. Once you order this phone, you get all that packages from pre-order. So if you're lucky, you can pre-order the phone right now. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. And here's the phone. Let's put it aside. We have the back cover with a SIM ejector tool, and we have this fast charger. And this fast charger is, let me just quickly take a look here. It says it's where is it? Yeah, it's 40 watts. It's a 40 watts charger. As you can see, that's amazing. 40 watts is pretty good. I'm not sure if the battery is split between two. I believe it's not, maybe, because it's a 5160 milliamp battery, but hey, what can I say? So we have USB Type-C, and guess what? We have earbuds. Yes, we have earbuds and a 3.5 headphone jack with a USB Type-C. That's cool, man. That's cool. Now let's put everything together here. Let's take a look at this beautiful shiny phone. Now I ordered the green color. It's beautiful. It's reflecting. No, I think it's looking a little bit of bluish here because of the lights that I have. It's a little bit of blue, but this is a beautiful color, by the way. Let's take a quick look at the IOs here. We have an IR blaster. Shout out to Honor for putting in IR blaster. Not many phones have the IR blaster. It's very, very useful. And we have a microphone at the top. That's the camera. That's a circle, complete circle. We have the 64 megapixel, an ultra wide, and we have the macro sensor or the macro sensor. All right. On the right side is very, very thin, by the way. That's too thin of a. I don't know how did they actually fill a 5100 mAh battery inside this phone. It's too thin. We have the up and down volume. Very, very quiet when it touch. That's a good thing if it's quiet. So it's very quiet. And we have the power button here. So basically it's a very, very useful and hard. So you can just touch your tip fingers. And I was on my channel. If I can touch my tip finger, that's okay. Here we have the USB Type-C, fast charging 40 watt speakers, and the SIM ejector microphone. And as you know, I don't think it has a speaker on the top, but that's when we have to try this phone later on and see how it's actually functions. So that's the unboxing, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. A lot of videos gonna also come up later on, testing the speakers and everything. So see you guys later.